we shall discuss on how to write the linear regression model in the matrix notation. So how do we write the linear regression model in the matrix notation? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Of course, we know that our linear regression model is written as this. So this y is our response variable. We call it response. It's our response variable. X is our design matrix. Design matrix. The B is our model parameter. Our model parameter. And E is our error, or you call it random error. Of course, we have 6 observations here. This is the model, we have 6 observations. It then means that this our yi will be a 6 by 1 matrix. Now our x, we have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus this one 6. So our x will be a 6 by 6 matrix. Our x will be a 6 by 6 matrix. Our b too, our b, we have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our b will be a 6 by 1 matrix. Also, our random error has 6 observations, which is I ranging from 1 to 6. So it will still be a 6 by 1 matrix. So the next thing to do is to put the whole of this into a matrix format. So which is, the first one is y. Y we said is a 6 by 1 matrix, which is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. The next one is our x, which is the design matrix. So the design matrix can be written as, since we have b naught here, so the whole of this becomes 1, 1, 1. It's like a constant. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, we move over to x1, x2. First one, x11, x12. Now we have this square. Sorry, there's a square here. We say x11. Okay, this is 2. We say x12 and x22. This is square, this is square. The next one we have here is x11 and x12. So this is what we have. Let me take some chalk. This is I1, I2. Okay, so we have x11 and x12. So that's what we want. The next one will be x21, x22, x21, x22 squared. Then here is x21 and x22. The next one is x31, x32, x31, x32 square, square, x31, x32. Here is x41, x42, x41 squared, x42 squared. x41, x42. The other one will be x51, x52, x51 squared, x52 squared, x51, x52, x61, x62, x61 squared, x62 squared, x61, x62. The next on our list is the model parameter. We said the model parameter is a 6 by 1 matrix because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it then means that our model parameter will be equal to B naught, B1, B2, B3, B4, and B5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6 by 1 matrix. And our random error or our error 10, we also said it has 6 observations. So it has 6 observations. That means I ranging from 1 to 6. So we have E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, and E6. So this is simply how you can compute the linear regression model in the matrix notation. So this is how we can put the linear regression model through the matrix notation. But like we mentioned earlier, we have the model to be y is equal to xb plus e. It is a random error. So we have to write the whole of this as what we have here. How do we do that? We have to delete this part of the board. So say, for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So our y will come here first to give us y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6, which is equal to our x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can now write x11, x12, then x11, x12. This is square, this is square. Then x11, x12 from the model given. x21, x22, x21, x22, and we put our square. Then x21, x22. We come here, x31, x32, x31, x32. This is square, this is square. Then x31, x32. Also, we have here x41, x42, x41, x42 squared, x41, x42, x51, x52, x51 squared, x52 squared, x51, x52, x61, x62, x61, x62 square. We put our square. x61 and x62 multiplied by b naught, b1, b2, b3, b4, and b5 plus e1, e2, e3, e4, e5, and e6. So this is simply how we can compute or how we can put our linear regression model into the matrix notation. So this is how to compute that. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.